So let's see how we can assign a score operation on the Glowforge interface. I'm going to start this example by using a proof-grade material, which means it gets automatically assigned, but I'll also show you how to do it with your own materials. So I'm going to start by uploading the file. So I'm going to hit upload, grab that Easter tag. First thing I'm going to do is move all these lines into the cutting area a little bit down. So now you can see they are all highlighted red, which means they can be cut. And here I can see the two operations I have. On the top, I have the score. I can recognize it because there are just the little lines. And on the bottom, I have the overall cut. And they automatically get assigned as cuts. So to change it, I need to click here. And then there is a section here on the top that says score. And I'm going to choose the high quality version of the score. And now I can see that the score is going to be the first operation. It says right here. And those lines are highlighted purple. So there's going to be the first thing that's going to happen. And then the second operation is going to be the cut. And those lines are highlighted orange. And so when I'm ready, I can hit print. And let's try a version where I use my own material. I'm just using some generic 1/8" plywood I purchased elsewhere. So when I do these, I don't get the material assigned. So I have to click here and then click on use uncertified material. And I have to enter the material thickness. So I'm going to enter the thickness I measured with my calipers, then hit submit. Then I'm going to upload the file. Hit upload, and I'm going to get the same file. First thing I'm going to do again is nudge it over here so it's within the cutting area. But in this case, the settings are not assigned for me. So I'm going to enter my own settings. And these are only suggestions. These are the settings I use, but you might have to experiment or find your own elsewhere. So for the score, I'm going to click here. And then I could select score in this case, and I'm going to enter a manual setting. So I tend to use 125 for the speed and a very low power for my scores on birch. And that's that. And now I need to select the settings for cutting. So I can click here. I can do cut. I'm going to scroll down to manual. And then for this kind of birch plywood, I tend to use 155 for the speed and full power. So as you can see, speed is similar, but the power is much more. And once again, we can see that the score is outlined in purple and the cut is outlined in orange. And when I'm ready, I can hit print.